This is a popsicle mold set. This is really cool. It comes with 6, but actually it comes with 7 because they give you an extra one for a friend. And it comes with a really cool tattoo sticker. Today I'm going to make some cherry pops from scratch with real cherries. These molds are actually really great for making your very own healthy fruit popsicles for your family to enjoy. Check out this recipe I'm making below. I'll leave a recipe to it in the description as well. Check it out.
Hello, guys. Hey, I think I can do the pie part.
You get to do the rest.
The rest?
Yep.
Oh yeah, you're making a vlog. You're making a vlog.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're making a vlog. You're making a vlog.
Thanks for helping me with this.
Wish you had some kind of help. Maybe if someone is
Yeah,
getting
cherry pops, everybody. These are really, really good. I'll leave
Yeah, buddy.
recipe down below.
Yeah, down below. Meet us in the comments.